Hi there, Sandro here with PDR Hawaii, and I'm here with a very tough job that it's one of those that won't look perfect, but I can make look better for sure, and for the cost, it's worth it for a lot of people. If you don't want to place a claim with your insurance and not see your car for a week, get a rental, and your deductible will probably cost $500 commonly. That's the average price for a deductible. And you're possibly looking at your premium going up, things like that. So if you don't want to do the whole insurance thing and you want it to look better and you understand it, that's what it can look better but not perfect, then yeah, then we can help you. So this is very complex. This is pushed in pretty far. I'll put something straight here so you can see how this is about an inch pushed in compared to the line it doesn't follow. It caves in right there. This fold right here is gnarly. It's a very sharp fold, and hopefully I'll recover that pretty well. Let's see. There's a little bit of damage there. I'm not sure at this point if it's a scuff, it's something that can be buffed out or transfer, or if it's actual paint damage. I'm thinking it's a paint transfer. So you can see there's about an inch gap between where the panel starts there and the line that it should follow. So it's pushed in about an inch, and I'll try to pull that back out as far as I can and try to realign it as best as I can. Not sure how well I'll be able to do that, but we'll see. Okay, so here it is. This is the end result. There's definitely slight imperfections to it. I didn't say it would look perfect. On the contrary, it might even have exceeded a little my expectations. I don't know. Well, it definitely looks a lot better for the price of the repair compared to what you would have paid at a body shop to have it repaired. So I'm sure you'll be happy with it. You can see that gap is gone. Maybe not absolutely to perfection, but I mean, if there is still a gap there, if it's still bent, it's not noticeable at all. It really looks straight from any angle you look at it. So yeah, that's the end result. For the price, I think it's more than worth it. And if you're looking for perfection, something like this definitely needs to be done at a body shop and have it repainted, all of that. Alright, so thank you for watching. Aloha.